Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to send broadcast messages to your messenger list in your digital chatbot marketing. Broadcast is a powerful feature that allows you to send a message to multiple subscribers at the same time in an automated manner. It helps businesses to send announcements, discounts, updates, and notifications to their contacts. To send broadcast messages to your messenger list, you need to create your broadcast flow using the right messenger list topic. Note that this flow will only be sent to contacts that subscribe to the messenger list topic you selected. Let me show you how. There you have it. You just learned how to send broadcast messages to your messenger list in your digital chatbot marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.